guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci. I know you guys are surprised to see my face. We've got a Skims unboxing. She keeps coming out with drops. I've actually been out of town, so if you guys are wondering why videos are extra late or you haven't seen a video, it's because I've been out of town. I know I've been out of town. This is Skims Performance. These are the leggings. I got all of the different colors, the 3 different shades, and I got them all in the stirrup legging because I don't have anything like it. I've never seen anything like it. Granted, I'm sure it exists, but personally, I love them. I don't like the price point, so I think that, you know, of course, if you can't afford the legging, I can understand why you wouldn't want them. It's a hefty penny, but I do think that it's cute, and I'm going to keep them because I can see myself wearing these more on a everyday basis, because a lot of the other performance leggings I have, I would say, aren't as comfortable. And once I finally got them up, I'm just like, oh, these are cute and comfortable. What I did notice, they do slip around. I wish that they had some type of like a rubber to keep them in place, because if you're working out, heavy lifting, you kind of want your leggings to stay in place. So that's the only thing that I kind of didn't like. But the fact that I probably won't be working out in these and just wearing them on an everyday basis, they work for everything that I need them to. Matches nicely with the gunmetal top that I have on. So I like how Skims likes to stay consistent when it comes to colors, so you can kind of mix and match everything. Like I said, I like them. I do think that for the price, like, stitching shouldn't be looking as, I think it should have been done a little better, because there's some stitches that I can see that aren't stitching. But for the most part, I really like the leggings. So I got all of them. I got all the stirrup ones, and I'm gonna keep it. Because what I was telling my husband, and I think sometimes I just be trying to justify my purchases, but whenever Skims actually comes out with things that I can wear outside of the house, I'm gonna always gravitate towards them because they are so damn comfortable. I just picked up the soft smoothing leggings. Like, we've been asking for them, and the fact that they finally gave them to us, I needed them. And then one of my friends, she's like, I got all the colors. And I'm like, damn, I didn't get desert. Maybe I should. So I ran back and got the desert leggings too, because whenever Skims has something that you can actually wear, I say you go for it, because it's gonna be comfortable. I found that when I was out of town, all I was in was Skims, and yeah, it was everything for me. So I did pick up the top, and if I didn't mention, I got everything in a size medium. It was really hard to get into, but the moment I got into it, and then I also picked up the black stirrup leggings, of course, because I told you guys I like black. I loved it. When I put on the outfit, you couldn't tell me that I wasn't going to the grocery store looking like a hot commodity. Like, I felt the presence, like I felt my presence like presenting itself, you know what I mean? I loved it. I thought it was so cute. I wish it had the finger holes, because like, we're into that, Kim. Like, give us the option of having finger holes. Maybe come out with like a BBO jacket, you know, like the Lululemon. Bring us some of that. We want some of that, and put a thumb hole in there, because it will sell out. You can't barely even see it. I liked it. The only thing that I didn't like, so my dislikes would be, I feel like with the lighter shades, you can see oil. So let's say you get out of the shower and you put on things like body oil, and then you put on this outfit, you're gonna see it through your clothes, like, you know, so that sucks. I can definitely see it sweating. Like, if I'm gonna be sweating, I think I'm gonna see it. You don't really want stuff like that when you're in the gym, but for how I'm gonna wear it, I'm gonna love it, and it's gonna be cute, and they're so damn comfortable. But this is my initial review, because of course I feel like if I actually wore it for the day, see if it rolled down, you know. But yeah, I like it. Thank you.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.